very exciting to see how things make our life easier in the workshop or how we can work on the exactness of our products.
L'idea è di avere un oggetto semplice, snello, che ci permette di risolvere delle problematiche di alcune fasi di lavorazione delle nostre imbarcazioni.
Goliath potrebbe migliorare il mio lavoro durante l'utilizzo delle macchine tradizionali, quindi come strumento alternativo o di supporto.
Have you ever imagined a tool that turns idea of any scale into reality without restrictions of limited space? Goliath is a CNC portable robot that moves autonomously and can be placed directly on your work surface. Goliath flexibility makes it much more affordable than a work center, both for carpentries and shared workspaces such as fab labs, schools and universities.
Goliath CNC for me is interesting in terms of being able to produce very quickly custom designs or more spontaneously to be able to change our ideas and put them into practice as quick as possible.
Quando ho visto Goliath la prima volta sono rimasto soprattutto impressionato dalla versatilità e l'illimitato campo di lavoro.
Especially due to the size of the machine, we don't have to have it fixed in one place, so we can use it in lots of different areas in the workshop.
La cosa vantaggiosa è il fatto di poter fare tutto in casa.
Puoi utilizzarlo in ogni posto e senza limiti di dimensione del pannello e della superficie.
Può essere applicata per tanti usi, tanti scopi, dalle tavole lunghe o anche a più materiali.
We have spent many hours testing and prototyping with Goliath. Now we are very close for the final product for mass production.
One of the best things we've experienced was seeing so many different people having ideas about how and where they will use Goliath.
We strongly believe in the digital fabrication, and we can't wait to see what you are going to make with Goliath.
We come in all shapes and sizes, but our clothing is still mass-produced.
We've created a machine to change that.
Meet Kniterate, a desktop digital knitting machine. Now you can create your own garments and accessories, and you can share them online in a digital wardrobe. It's easy to use. You can start a design from scratch using our web design app, or simply load an existing design from the online library. Choose the color and material to suit you, and press Knit. Just make a few finishing touches and your design is ready to wear. The process of making a garment has never been so easy. Kniterate helps you be more efficient and iterate faster than ever. You can use our standard size templates or modify them to your needs to get to the final design. You can use your own yarn or choose from our great selection of tried and tested yarns like wool, cotton, acrylic, or silk, in plenty of different colors. We'll provide you with the right parameters for each of our yarns, which will allow you to cut time on sampling and focus on the fun parts, designing and wearing garments. You can knit garments with the same quality as the clothes you can find in your favorite stores. You can also use your usual design software. Simply import your design into our app and have it ready to knit in seconds. Kniterate can help you grow your business, or even help you start a new one, offering personalized products to your customers and shortening lead times. By producing garments locally and on demand, there'll be no need to wait for samples. No more excess stock or waste. With Kniterate, you can make garments exactly to your needs, right in your neighborhood, so they don't have to be shipped halfway across the world. Kniterate is not limited to standard yarns, so you can bring your projects to life. With Kniterate, your creativity has no limits.
I started this project 4 years ago to democratize clothing manufacturing. After building a team and countless prototypes, we're finally bringing this industrial technology to your desktop.
Last summer, we lived in a factory with over 30 years of experience building industrial knitting machines, and now we're ready to make Kniterate for you.
But we need your support to create them cost effectively. So please, back us now. Thank you.